Remember the tantalizing smell of popcorn wafting through the air at your local movie theater or during a cozy night in front of the TV? The sound of popping kernels, the buttery aroma, and the irresistible crunch are the sensory delights that Orville Redenbacher's popcorn has been bringing to American households for decades. Did you know that Americans consume 13 billion quarts of popcorn annually? That's enough to fill the Empire State Building 18 times! Today, let's embark on a fascinating journey to discover how Orville Redenbacher's turns humble kernels into the popcorn we all love. Ready to pop some knowledge? Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey! The story of Orville Redenbacher popcorn begins with its namesake, Orville Clarence Redenbacher. Born in 1907 in Brazil, India, Orville had a passion for popcorn from a young age. He started growing his popcorn as a teenager and continued to refine his crop throughout his life. In the 1950s, Orville, along with his business partner Charles Bowman, set out to develop a popcorn hybrid that would revolutionize the industry. After countless trials and likely a few burnt batches, they finally developed a popcorn that was lighter, fluffier, and tastier than anything on the market. They launched their creation in 1965, and it didn't take long for Orville Redenbacher's to become a household name. Orville's dedication to quality and innovation didn't just change the popcorn game, it set a new standard.
It blows the top off the popper. And look!
Amazing! Yours most every kernel pop.
Taste my gourmet popping corn. You like it better or my name isn't...
Ever wondered what Orville's favorite flavor was? Spoiler, he was a classic butter kind of guy.
Butter. My corn pops lighter and fluffier than other popcorn, so each tender morsel melts in your mouth.
And this way it's buttery.
Without those butter calories.
Pop my gourmet brand popping corn in my buttery flavored oil.
You made the best better, Mr. Rattle Butter. Oh.
Let's dive into the heart of the action, the production process at an Orville Redenbacher's factory. Imagine yourself walking through the doors of a bustling facility, the hum of machinery and the rich smell of fresh popcorn filling the air. The journey begins with the selection of the finest popcorn kernels. Orville Redenbacher's uses a proprietary hybrid developed for optimal popping performance. These kernels are sourced from carefully chosen farms where the growing conditions are just right. Here's a fun small question. Do you know why people choose to sell popcorn when going to the movies and not other foods? Comment your opinion. Next, the kernels are cleaned and conditioned. This step involves removing any debris or any imperfect kernels. The conditioning process ensures that each kernel has the ideal moisture level. Did you know that the moisture content of a popcorn kernel needs to be about 14% for it to pop perfectly? Too dry and it won't pop, too moist and it turns soggy. Imagine large silos where kernels are gently tumbled and polished, much like a spa treatment for popcorn. This meticulous care guarantees that only the best kernels proceed to the popping stage. Ever thought about what goes into achieving that perfect pop every time? The popping stage is where the real magic happens. Kernels are transported to massive popping machines. These industrial poppers can handle thousands of pounds of kernels at a time. The kernels are exposed to heat, causing the moisture inside to turn into steam. The pressure builds until the kernels explode into fluffy popcorn. Picture this, a symphony of pops echoing through the factory as golden flakes of popcorn cascade into large containers. It's a sight and sound to behold. What's your favorite popping sound memory, at the movies or at home? Once popped, the popcorn moves to the flavoring station. Orville Redenbacher's is known for its classic butter flavor, but it also offers a variety of other delicious options, including white cheddar, kettle corn, and movie theater butter. The popcorn is evenly coated with the chosen flavoring, ensuring that every bite is as tasty as the last. After flavoring, the popcorn is quickly cooled to lock in freshness before being packaged. High-speed packaging machines fill and seal bags at lightning speed, ready to be shipped to stores nationwide. Which flavor would you choose for your ultimate movie night snack? Random popcorn samples are taken from each batch to ensure they meet the brand's high standards. Environmental protection issues. Orville Redenbacher's is not just about making great popcorn, they're also committed to protecting the environment. The factory implements several sustainable practices to minimize its ecological footprint. For instance, they use energy-efficient equipment and have programs in place to reduce water usage. They've also made strides in sustainable packaging by incorporating recyclable materials. Moreover, the company works with farmers who practice sustainable agriculture, ensuring that the land used for growing popcorn can continue to thrive for generations. Through partnerships and initiatives, Orville Redenbacher strives to make a positive impact on both the community and the environment. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of Orville Redenbacher's popcorn. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery. for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.